Welcome to Western Welding Academy's 2024 annual welding competition. Let's go! Over 300 competitors, people from 32 different states, Texas, Maine, Alaska, California, all over the US. The whole day is action-packed. Torch cutting competition, a downhill simulator, a TIG simulator, a scavenger hunt, calf rope and dummies, cornhole, food trucks, housing tours, campus tours, and backed by popular demand, the mullet competition. We had two divisions. We had an open division and the high school division. For the open division, third place got $1,000 cash. Second place got $5,000 cash, and first place got $10,000 cash. For the high school division, every competitor got a $1,000 scholarship. Third place got a $10,000 scholarship. Second place got a $16,000 scholarship, and first place got a $30,000 scholarship. The top three competitors not only got the scholarships, but they got a bunch of tools. We're talking tools from DeWalt, ESAB welding machines, Outlaw leather hoods, amplified TIG torches. This year we did things a little bit different. We not only did the first, second, and third places, but we did the top 15 places. Everyone got at least a $300 prize package with hoods, tools, all the way up to about a $6,000 package for first place. In total, prize packages and giveaways were over $70,000. This is the biggest welding competition in the nation, and for all the staff members and all the team members to come together in this one day was an incredible sight to see. One of the coolest highlights for the competition day is we give away a welding machine. This year was a Miller Big Blue Pipe Pro worth over $25,000. We have a hand program here at Western Welding Academy. That's our top students. Criteria is they have to hit 90% of attendance, pass all their weld tests, have no disciplinary actions, and finish at least 6 weeks early. We had over 92 hands. This year's winner is Tyler Hutchinson. Our sponsors this year were some of the biggest companies in the welding world, and they came out to play. DeWalt and AWG brought out a couple reps, paired up in a booth. ESAB sent out some welding machines and plasma cutters. Trollco supplied all the swag. Western Welders supplied all the instructor shirts. Outlaw Leather brought out their 30-foot trailer. Amplified Welding brought out the TIG torches for the prize tables, and so many more to make this the biggest welding competition in the nation. We brought in some of the best judges in the country with over 300 years of combined experience. I talked to a bunch of different teachers that are welding competition veterans, and they've never seen anything like this.
Every bead you lay, every joint that you weld, it's all part of your journey. Embrace that grind, for it's the grind that'll mold you into the master of welders that you were meant to be.
Huge thank you to all the competitors, the teachers, the sponsors, the guest speakers, the volunteers, the judges, and the entire Western Welding Academy staff. This is the biggest and best we've ever done so far, and we can't wait to make it bigger next year.